Alright, I don't know how long you've been on setting goals. The question is this: have you been achieving your goals? If your answer is yes, then you probably still have a long way to go. I say this because those who have been through this road of setting goals will tell you that it is always a good thing to work towards achieving your goals. Because if you're genuinely out to succeed and you achieve your goals each day, then it probably means that you have not been able to set enough goals. And they will tell you that achieving goals is a journey, not a destination. I say this with all sense of understanding that while there are long-term goals and of course short-term goals, and for both, if you are achieving your goals each day, you may need to look at it again. For me, it means that you have been setting goals that are just a child's play. Hi, my name is Abel, and in the last few days, I've been sharing my thoughts on steps to achieving success. This is designed to spur us up to take actions, basically, because truly there's no time to waste waiting for some manners that will fall from above, or some connections, or some government release and all of that. If you haven't watched any of those things I've been talking about, just go to my page and take a look at them. On today's episode, we shall be talking about refining your goals if you want to really achieve anything in life. A few years ago, I sent a list of various products and services that I trade in, and I shared it with my colleagues. I later learned that when they saw it, everyone laughed at me. Of course, a few years after they had left, even though I couldn't achieve everything, and I'm still pursuing, I would say that I achieved a substantial level. And guess what? That goal I sent to them, after they all left, I looked at it again and refined it again. You may want to ask, how is that done? By refining your goals, you must look at the processes and the end point. You must be willing to put in some figures that would probably scare the hell out of you. By the time you set goals, like what the achievers do, at first, something inside of you will be mocking you. But you mustn't listen to it, because that's the lazy personality that has kept you from achieving anything in life. It's that timid nature that looks for manners without working. It's that personality that wants you to steal instead of working. There is something you must know about refining your goals and letting it scare you. It brings about your consciousness that nothing must be left undone. It wakes you up even in the middle of the night. It brings you wise decisions to make. It makes you want to laugh hard, because you will begin to see how smart you've always been. It is the uncommon feature of those who achieve great things in life. Finances, relationships, family, your social life, health, just name it. Refining your goals each time brings you closer to your dream. And I would suggest that everyone should learn the art of setting goals that scare them. But not just setting these goals, taking time each day, each week, each month, each year to refine these goals. When you do this, I can assure you that you will not only be able to handle the immediate demands of your family, you will be able to plan and invest for the future as well. Let me say thanks for watching, but I'll leave you with this one. Set unimaginable goals that scare you, always, and don't forget to refine them always. Bye for now. My name is Abel.